Hello Yaleta crew, we're going to go through some sounds that my little class have been learning this term, but if you want to join in and you're from a different class, that is all good. So the first sound that we're going to practice is this one here, for black, black duck, and that makes a k sound, so a C and a K together make k. So what we're going to do, I'm going to write some words just like I have here, and we're going to dot dash dive them together and see if you can come up with any words of your own. So the first word that I've written here, which we'll do together, let's sound it out. So t, r, k, truck. So I know that lots of you see trucks driving past on the air highway. Truck. Who can think of another k word? Have a think. I'm going to give you one. Luck. If you have a lot of luck, that means that maybe good things happen a lot, or you might win something. That means that you've got some luck. Or, luck, and we'll dot dash dive that one. So, all, luck. Well done. Our next sound is ng for sing a song. Ng, a, ng, song. Sing a song. The first word that I have given you is long. It is a long drive from Adelaide to Yaleta. Long. Let's sound it out together. Ng. Long. Who can think of another word? I'm going to give you another one. This one is strong. I'm feeling really strong today. Strong. Strong. That's a really big word. It's got 5 sounds in that word. Let's count out the sounds. So s is our first sound. T is our next sound. R is our next sound. O is our final sound. So strong. Well done. All right, superstars, here's our next sound. This one is th for thud, thump, thunk. So, thud, thump, thunk. Thud, thump, thunk. So when Beth and Seth drop all the pots on the ground and it makes really loud noises, it goes thud, thump, thunk, like we practice in class. So our first word that I came up with is with. I am with my dog in Adelaide. With. So I'm going to sound it out with you guys. Are you ready? With. Can you think of another word? I just said it in my sentence. Think. I think with my brain. Think. Think. And let's dot dash jive it. So 2 letters making one sound. So a t and a h together make think. Well done. Our next sound is sh for shed, shop, shed shop. So in the shed shop, they have lots of different things that you can buy. Pip and Tim are selling lots of things like we learnt in class. Our first sh word is shed. shells. I like to collect shells at the beach. Shells. All right, let's think of one more word. I've got it. Wish. To have a wish is to hope for something. So I might wish that I get to ride a horse next week. I wish that I get to ride a horse. Wish. So instead of being at the start of this word, is at the end of this word. So wish. Our next one is one of my favorite sounds. This one is ch or ch, it, k, et, n, chicken, at, n, d, and chips. Chicken and chips. I like to eat chicken and chips with my family. Chicken and chips. So our first ch word I've got here, it's the first part of my last name. So, oh, let me get a pen. Sorry, I almost forgot. Ch, at, t, chat. I like to chat a lot. Chat means talk. I like to talk a lot. Let's do one more. Let's think of one more ch word with a ch at the end maybe. And it's something you eat every day. Lunch. I like to eat my lunch. Ch. Lunch. And let's quickly dash dive it. So, ch. Lunch. Well done. I hope you guys enjoyed those activities. Make sure you look on the Yalita School YouTube channel. And there's lots of other videos that you can access from last year. We've got some of Poppy reading some stories, and we'll make sure we post some on Facebook so that you can see them easily. We'll see you all on Monday. Have a good weekend and talk soon.